We wind up for the session at the day's lows, 14,758, and with only 4 F&O names going home as winners. ITC, Interglobe Aviation, Infosys and Page Industries. And by the way, Infi and Page were absolutely flat with just a marginal positive bias, not even a quarter percentage point uptick. Interglobe Aviation, 0.5% up, ITC 1% up. Rest all of it has bled. The key losers today, BHEL down 7.5%, LT Technologies down 7%, Tata Chem down 6%, Tata Power down 6%, and BOB as well, which goes home a loser, down 5.5% in trade. For amongst the large cap names, ICICI Bank goes home with a 3% cut, as does SBI. You've got a Bajaj Finance as well with, or Bajaj Auto, I beg your pardon, with a 2.6% cut. SBI Life down 2.6%, Tata Steel down 2.5%, Motor Corp down roughly 2.5%, Hindalco down 2.25%, as was Reliance Industries, which also closes just testing that 2064 odd mark. Shree Cement, Dr. Reddy's, Kotak Bank, Nestle, I can go on with the list of losers. Of course, what's going to be imperative, as we've seen all sectors bleed today, there's been nothing which has been resilient to today's fall, much unlike the case which was the last 3 trading sessions where you had IT be resilient in the market fall. It's going to be important to note how much of an FII selling do you actually see in today's trading session, and whether the trend of the cash market selling, especially amongst both DIIs as well as FIIs, continues as a trend or not. So yeah, the institutional activity today is going to be very, very important to monitor. Avan, what are you spotting?
Well, just by way of some of the newsmakers, BPCL in focus. Remember, they announced their second interim dividend of 5 rupees per share, and that's been much less than what the street was anticipating. Vedanta hits a 52-week high. Remember, Anil Agarwal sweetened the open offer, seeking to buy 17.5% stake of Vedanta Limited at 235 rupees per share. SBI Cards in the red, over 40 million shares trade hands via that block, as we understand from reports that Carlyle Asia Partners was looking to sell their 4% stake worth $514 million. Dalmia Bharat, the Supreme Court released the mutual fund securities worth 340 crores in favor of the company. CLSA has an outperform rating with a target price at 1900. And BEML received some orders to the tune of $23 million, a major boost for Make in India, and that too has kept the stock active in trade. All in all, by the time we wrap up the trading day, we've fallen nearly 225 points from the high point of the trading day as we tested that 14,700 mark intraday. The Nifty and the Nifty Bank have extended their losing streak to 4 straight days on the trot.